A well-respected health officer, Dr. Calandra Green, was found unalive. Apparently, her husband committed the dreadful act and chose to leave this world after her last breath. Her colleagues felt something was off when Dr. Calandra Green was absent from work without calling in, not contacting anyone. So they reached out to her family members who went to her home and realized her demise. It was an awful fate, seeing her and her husband. Dr. Calandra Green was a high-caliber expert in the health field who lived in Oakland County with her husband, Charles Green. Both individuals were found deceased in their Pontiac apartment on Thursday. Presently, law enforcement hasn't released any additional information about the passings. They are still investigating the scene of the crime. According to Dr. Calandra Green's colleagues, she was loved, well received for her knowledge and her professional demeanor. She was the first woman of color in that area to have that position. It's so devastating for a kind, hardworking woman to pass away in this manner, especially by her spouse. I don't know about her personal situation, but for anyone who is dating, cohabitating, or married to someone who shows signs of being mentally unwell and or violent, it's crucial to get that person help immediately. The partner may need long-term medication with counseling and even long-term assisted care. If the person refuses help after a lot of effort is made on their behalf, it's necessary to leave that partnership to save yourself. Unfortunately, the person who needs help usually turns on or makes a closest loved one a victim. So act in urgency to prevent a tragedy.